Hello everyone. Namaskar. Herbal medicated mask is the innovative idea which I put forth for this current pandemic situation. If developed, it will not only help the people during this current period of crisis, but it will also help them throughout their life to fight against any respiratory tract infection. In 2016, WHO found out 92% of the world population is breathing in polluted air. 9 out of 10 people worldwide breathe polluted air. This situation might get worse in the upcoming years. Medicinal plants can be used to prevent infections, and in the time pharmaceutical drugs attempt to mimic a compound that occurs naturally but offer the risk of side effects. This herbal medicated mask would be a targeted drug delivery system with reduced side effects to the allopathic drugs. Medicinal herbs and plants like lungwort, peppermint, eucalyptus, camphor will be the components of this herbal medicated mask. And why do we need this? To relieve nasal congestion, to improve the ease of breathing, and this medicated mask would be a very cost effective which can be afforded by people of all categories. And this medicated mask would also prevent any respiratory tract infection caused by virus, bacteria or pollutants, etc. Same as the lozenges which smoothens our throat, this particular medicated mask would smoothen our respiratory tract. And who can use it? How much time we can use it? This mask can be used by the people of all ages, from pediatrics to geriatrics. 6 to 8 hours as the normal mask it can be used. And coming to the difference between the normal mask, it will promote the freshness of breathing and inhalation of herbal medicaments, which helps us to fight against the virus or bacteria. To conclude, this herbal medicated mask would significantly help us in preventing the transmission of COVID-19 in this current pandemic situation. Thank you.